Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Khalid.
And my name is Shafiq.
So today we are going to share with you how to use Quizziz.
Yes, Quizziz is a platform quiz best for students doing quizzes. So let's start with how to sign up with Quizziz. So first of all, you just click the sign up button, and then you may choose whether you want to sign up with either using your Google account or create an account using your email address. So in this case, I'm just going to sign up with my own Google account and then log in using my Google account. So here it is, your main dashboard on Quizziz. So how are you going to create a new quiz? Okay, you can either choose all the pre-made quizzes here, or you can just create a new quiz here. So let's start by entering your quiz name. So in this case, I'm going to enter Malaysia Quick Facts and leave the language to English, and you may add an image if you want to, and save it. Here it is, you have done creating a new quiz from scratch. So now it is time for you to create a new question. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to create 2 new questions for you to see. So the first question, you may enter your first question in this field here. So you can choose what question you want to enter in this field, and you can choose up to 4 options for your participants to answer. So in this case, I'm just going to put sigma, and then there you go. You have done with all the options here, and then you click which of these 4 options are the correct one. So in this case, Malaysia's favorite breakfast is the nasi lemak. Alright, you may save it, or before that you may also tag any standards you want, or you can also add another answer option after the 4 given options. So save it, and then you may also can create another question after that. So let's create 2 questions here. So for the second question, I would like you to name the Malaysia's national car. So again, fill up all the answer options available here. And of course, Malaysian national car is the Proton. Also, you may want to allot the suitable time to solve this question. You can choose from 5 seconds up to 15 minutes to solve. So in this case, if you have a mathematical question, you can choose up to 15 minutes or 5 minutes based on how difficult it is to answer these questions. So save it, and there you go. You have now 2 questions available for Malaysia Quick Facts. So when you are done, straight away just click the finish quiz button and select the grade range from. So in this case, I'll just use the university grade, or perhaps from the first grader to professional. So you are opening the quiz to a wide range of participants. So when you are done, you save the details, And there you go. You have a quiz with Quizziz.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you how to share your quizzes. So if you look at the bottom part, the right part of the Quizziz, you can see the share button. So for the option of sharing the quizzes, there are a few options you can use. Number one is using social media via Twitter, Facebook, or Google Plus. And also, you can select to share the quizzes among your peers or the teachers at your school. Or the third one, you can use via email. So you have to enter the email address which you want to share the quizzes with. Right. Okay, next, you can send the quizzes for homework game. So you can set when is the quiz going to be available. For the example, today is the 1st October. I'm going to set it to 2nd October at 6:30 p.m. It is 1 day and 8 minutes from now. And then you can see all the question settings, which is shuffle the question for jumbling out the order of the question for the students. And also you can jumble the answer for each question also. And then you can choose to show answers and show quiz review. And for the game settings, you can also show leaderboard, question timer, show memes, and play music. So after you have done with all the settings, you can go to proceed. So this is what it's look like when the homework game is running. Okay, so there are two options here. The game code, if you want to ask the students to join the quiz, so they will put the game code here. Okay, student will have to go to the link here, join.quizziz.com, and enter the game code 426506. Or you can share also using Google Classroom, Edmodo, and Remind. Okay, how to access the game with live game? So you click on the live game button. Okay, same as before, you can choose the question settings and the game settings. Okay, after done with the settings, you can go to proceed. Okay, so the students will be asked to join the quizzes at join.quizziz.com, and then they will enter the game code 541108, and then you can click start. So after the students, at least one person to join, so the quiz will be start. Okay, so we are still waiting for at least one participant to participate on the quiz. Alright, so as you can see, there's a student named Shay joining the quiz, and we can start the quiz. So as you can see, the progress show how the students are answering the question. So as you can see, we have only 2 questions. And then after the student have answered all the questions, we'll show the progress. And then the game will end, showing the result or the leaderboard for the quiz. Okay, so as you can see, after the quiz ended, you can see the report for the quizzes, and then you can choose either to review the questions or download the report in Excel format. So let's check it out. Okay, so after the file has been downloaded, you can see it in Excel. And that is it. Okay, so we hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.